Welcome fellow traders. It's time for another training session with BestBull tutorial. In the previous video, we learned how to customize the interface to a specific visual preferences. Today, we will learn how to export the prices of our watch list. Let's get started. But first, let's understand why we need to export the prices of our watch list. It is required when we want to take a backup of the prices of our watch list, especially when the market closes, or when we need the prices at a specific time. Instead of manually noting down each price, we can export them for convenience. To begin the export process, right-click on the watch list and a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll find various options. Select Export. When you click on Export, you'll see 4 options: XLSX, PDF, CSV, and TXT. You can choose any format that you find viable. Let's look into the PDF format for this demonstration. Once you select the PDF format, the prices of your watch list for that particular time period will be exported into a PDF file. You can download the PDF file and save it for your records. That's all for today's tutorial. In our next video, we will cover additional topics that will help you on your journey to becoming the #1 trader.